अरे what is this? What does this mean? Okay. Is then put these stones. Oh. Guys, you look these stones. That's boxing. Some stones with findings. The mighty besides. Again, this is garbage or a stone spawn. In the stone store. Then this quality is so awesome. Here pink. It's just yellow, and this white quality. Another one. Oh, like this birds. It was big gemstone sales. This quality was low, just low quality. This I just found some openness in this zone. And how precious. Oh, look at this. This quality gemstone is just finding on my riverside. Another wow, it is so beautiful stones with moonstones, and this my store story. And these stones to actually this rose quality, it is very good quality. This yeah.